absolute joy to fly. Do some extraordinary things on his wings. That's not simple. Helicopter comes down, rotating wing, tail flaps. Oh, they're just having fun. Back up onto the other side. And those things keep you from having mass bumping and stuff like that there, right? Evidently he didn't hear me, but that's okay.
That's pretty awesome.
I mean, the rule is too.
It's just so expensive.
Hey, I got a question for you. Aaron, how many helicopters are qualified to do this kind of flying?
He's busy.
Because of that rigid rotor system, right? No flapping or lead lag hinges. That's amazing. You still have to change the CG aircraft, correct? Be available to you and me. You want to do this that attire, that country thing with a lighter.
That's gotta be the section. Wait, I don't think the section is something. I don't use that in Mac,
And again, when they inject the nitro into it, it goes from 180 horsepower it does. And again,
different gears, but then once you're up close, like in activating the active.
he's going to convert that altitude into energy, speed, and apply it to the aerobatics is going to tie together. And he knows the weights of this airplane are always going to go right to the edge of that envelope. Just put your rubber wing down the back. And before you do it, the better you get on lower the right, I'll let you fly. He's rated to the square. Constantly moving that throttle, taking the power he needs. Composite propeller too bites into the air. And when he's pushing the negative G's, all the blood in your body, everything wants to come up.